Hi! So you made the decision to turn on Microsoft Teams. Congratulations! Microsoft Teams is one of the fastest growing business applications designed to boost collaboration and productivity. Get ready to revolutionize the way your organization is doing business. But before you light up Teams for everybody, it's critical to ensure you have a solid governance strategy in place to ensure you're striking the right balance between effective collaboration and control. You want to make it easy for people to do the right thing. Good governance precedes great adoption. So I want to invite you to join me in this SharePoint Fest virtual workshop on how you can drive Microsoft Teams adoption, make it easy for people to do the right thing. Part 1 on October 20th and Part 2 on October 21st. This is Dux Raymond Tsai, and I look forward to see you there.